Perhaps you've been told at one point or another to toughen up, that real leaders don't show emotion, that vulnerability makes you weak. Let me tell you something, that's not toughness, that's fear dressed up as strength. The truth is, conscious leadership isn't soft, and it's one of the hardest, most courageous paths you can walk because it requires you to stay open when everything in you wants to shut down. In this video, we aim to reframe conscious leadership that it isn't for those who want to have comfort, it's for those who want impact with integrity. We've been taught that power means control, that the loudest voice in the room wins, that the most confident person must be right. But that's old power, the kind that operates through dominance and fear. Conscious leadership invites a new definition: power as presence, power as self awareness, power as the courage to lead with the heart and integrity, even when it's unpopular. Real strength isn't about being unshakable. It's about being self aware enough to notice when you are shaken and grounded enough to return to center. Let's be honest, conscious leadership demands more of you. It asks you to regulate your emotions instead of reacting, to listen to understand instead of just to reply, to take responsibility for your impact instead of defending your intent. That's not easy work. It's the kind of strength that doesn't show up in spreadsheets, but everyone in the room feels it. Leaders who choose this path develop psychological safety in their organization, not because they avoid conflict, but because they navigate it with clarity and care and trust. We used to glorify grit as the pushing through exhaustion point. But what if the new grit is staying conscious in the face of discomfort? Emotional intelligence is that muscle. It means understanding your emotions, managing your triggers, and recognizing what's happening to the people around you. As Brene Brown says, clear is kind. And that means honest conversations, boundaries, accountability, and empathy, not as a tactic, but as a way of being. Because compassion doesn't dilute power, it defines it. Presence is the new currency of leadership. When you're present, you create calm in chaos. When you're grounded, you build trust without words. And when you're authentic, people don't just follow you, they believe you. People don't remember how perfect you were under pressure, they remember how safe they felt in your presence. So let's bust a myth once and for all. Conscious leadership isn't soft. It's conscious work. It takes grit to hold space for truth. It takes courage to be real when everyone else is performing. And it takes presence to lead in a world that is addicted to speed. If staying comfortable is your goal, conscious leadership won't be your path. But if you're ready to lead with heart and with awareness and with power that heals instead of harm, you're exactly where you need to be. Subscribe, share, comment, whatever that's appropriate for this space. And remember, true power comes from presence, not dominance. And until we see each other again, I hope you have a powerful day.